Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the length of open belt drive. Now how to derive the length of belt drive. Now it is considered two pulley 1 and pulley 2 having radius R1 and R2 separated by distance x. Now from figure do some construction. Now from point O2 draw a line parallel to EF. That means EF and MO2 is parallel to each other. Now in triangle O1, O2, M. This angle is alpha. If this angle is alpha, then this angle is also alpha. So from this triangle O1, O2, M, sine of alpha can be written as O1M and O1, O2, and O1M can be written as R1 minus R2, and O1, O2 is X. So sine alpha can be written as R1 minus R2 upon X. Now, if this angle alpha is very small, so sine of alpha can be written as alpha. Alpha is equal to R1 minus R2 upon X. Now we need to find the length of the belt. So what we do is just find the half length of the belt. That means the length JE plus EF plus FK and twice this length. Then we get the whole length of the belt. So arc length JE. J can be written as R1 pi by 2 plus alpha. That means this angle is pi by 2 and this one is alpha. Then the length subtended, that means the angle subtended by arc JE, that is pi by 2 plus alpha. So arc length JE can be written as pi by 2 plus alpha. Same arc length FK. Arc length FK is written as R2, radius of this pulley, and the angle subtended, that means pi by 2 minus alpha. This angle is also alpha. And the last one is EF. So EF, as you know, this EF is parallel to MO. This EF and MO are equal. So we have to find the length of MO. What we do is in this triangle O1, O2, M, have you seen? By Pythagoras theorem, we can write MO is equal to O1 is O2 square minus OM square. So see from figure, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write root under x square minus R1 minus R2 का whole square. Now we take a common x and then expand this as a binomial expansion and then neglect the higher order. So we take only just first two order, right? So MO can be written as x minus half R1 minus R2 whole square upon x. Now put all these three values in the length and twice. Now when we put all the values here in length and do twice, we get these equations. Further we solve these equations, we get pi R1 plus R2 plus 2x minus R1 minus R2 upon x plus 2 R1 minus R2 into alpha. And what we have to do, just further solve it, we get pi R1 plus R2 plus 2x plus R1 minus R2 whole square upon this one is minus. What we do, put minus here. This one is minus, it is not plus.